Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Garnet, Sandy Shores, Great Outdoors. Hey, it's colder. It's cold today, about minus 14. Right, we're in the great wide north. And June's with me. Hey. Oh, I guess we gotta turn. Hey. Hey, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you something. Don't mind the old Dodge Hemi tick, that's a constant. You know what those are, right? Yeah, okay, right? Automatic. This one, reverse, back, window. See, it goes down not bad. Right? Winter time, you got a little bit different. Okay, I'm gonna reach down here. Truck is warm. If you're frozen on the outside, leave your window up, well, because you won't get it down, but just slide a putty knife down in there, bangle, down your window go, okay? No problem. Sun's in the way. Oh man, the sun's in the way. You better go on the other side. It's blinding everything. Where'd you go? Yeah, you go on the other side. I'll give you to her. Fingers are right on the lens right now. Your fingers are right on the lens.
Oh.
Okay? To make this thing go down easier, you can back up here.
Okay.
To make this go down easier, silicone lubricant. Right? Silicone lubricant. Doesn't mess up your windows, nothing like that. Spray it in the track. See the track here? Show the track. Spray it in your truck. Right? Give her a good one right here. Let it run down some. More here. I'll tell you what. You just solved your problem from slow windows and sticking windows. See how fast it goes up, what? Up and down, up and down. Getting quicker and quicker. Pretty quick, eh? Much better. You see it doesn't get on your windows? Okay, I'm going to put you here. I'm going to shut this mechanical a-hole off. Oh, turn this off. Let's go to the other side. Take a look at the other side. Stand right here. Watch the other side now. Whoops. Press the right button, ding dong. See how slow that window is? Look how slow that window is. Right? That's incredibly slow. You watch what this stuff does. Put it all the way down just like I did this one. You can stay here and watch.
Yep.
Oh, if you want, you can use the window button. Spray the track. Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? Right here. Let's spray the felts. Okay, go up down a few times. It's quicker already. Give her a few times. Look how quick you hear it speeding up. It should come down that quick, easy. Okay. I'm gonna run down the rail there and give her a couple more times. Oh, that's way quicker. Okay, we'll leave that down for now. Try this back one. Still slow too. These ones hardly ever get used, but keep going. Well, is that right? No. Silicone lubricant. Good for bearings. Can you try it again? You can do it. Oh, that's way quicker. When the truck's running too, is more power, right? Okay, that'll work for now. I'll go to the back behind her. Oh, this stupid door, I forgot I got to drop. There's a bolt right in the middle of the panel on the other side. See, it unlatched, so I got to pull the panel off. I forgot all about that. But we can do the window.
Oh, hang on.
No?
No.
What if the power on came undone? Okay. Anyway, friends, I'll pick you up here. Yes. 3-in-1. It's made by 3-in-1, actually. Not terribly sponsoring any trademark company names, but hey, if 3-in-1 wants to get a hold of me, whatever. Lubricates wheels, high performance lubrication, long lasting lubrication, safe on metal. There we go. Keep going. Good. You will give her a good drink.
I'm going to put the other one up there and show them.
Oh yeah, that's way quicker. Holy mackerel. Whew. Try this one now. Okay, let's put some chicken braid on it. Now look at her. Do the other ones. Wow. Is that much faster or what? I'll zoom you in here a bit. That's way quicker. Nah, that thing. Don't worry about it. One day it'll conk on me.
This one.
Look how quick that is.
That's a lot quicker.
You like that? Thumbs up, please subscribe, leave a comment. Hey, tips and tricks. Tips and tricks to get through winter. Get through winter, I'll tell you what. You want to make a friend? Carry one of these when you go to one of those drive-through places like Mick and Tammy kind of thing, whatever. And his window don't open, they got to open the thing, just run up quick and go, and your window will open, and they'll go, holy mackerel, and they'll buy you a coffee. Been there, done that 14 times, right? They're real happy because the window opens, right? Where we at? Move your hand, ding dong. Hey, you like that? Thumbs up, please subscribe, leave a comment. Hey, tips and tricks, stuff to get you through winter, right? We live in the Great White North, right? Cool. Those are free all day long. Thanks for reminding me, dude. Right? See you later, friends. Have a great day.